Yar! These Suno AI songs hit straight to the heart, but there's one big problem. How do we get them on our phones? Now look, some people want to upload them on YouTube, make their channel blow up, and go viral. Some want to create Instagram Reels and become the next social media hero. And some just want to impress their girlfriend by saving it offline. But the real question is, how? Last night, I was lost in deep thought. Yar! I need to find a hack for this. And then, I remembered my big brother, Google Baba. Picked up my phone, typed in the search bar, how to download. Oh no, I won't tell you just yet. Now, Google Baba took its sweet time. I scrolled, and ta-da! I found the one, as if fate itself had opened a treasure chest before me. But should I tell you straight away? No. Let me have some fun first. So I opened my favorite Suno AI song, the one I dreamed of uploading on YouTube to become famous. Copied the link, boom. Then I landed on the website, pasted the link, smashed that button, and my friend. Within 2 minutes, the song was on my phone. Now, whether I upload it on YouTube, create reels, flex in front of the neighbors, or just burn my friends with jealousy, everything is possible. This trick is just like my cutting chai. Fast, simple, and free. Just go to Google, type sunosongdownloader.xyz, and find a page that looks something like sunosongdownloader.xyz. If by mistake, Sunny Leone songs pop up, retype it. Keep your intentions pure. So, brothers and sisters, if you want to keep Suno AI songs with you, whether for YouTube, Reels, or just for your heart, open Google, find the trick, and ha. I'm already singing, oh, offline. You try it too.